Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I season this chicken right here. So it's brown stew chicken with browning. So here I have 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. I added 1 tablespoon Lorry seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon garlic granules, 1 tablespoon onion granules, and I'm going in with 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. So mix that up, and here is my chicken. It's a lot of beautiful chicken washed with vinegar and lime, and I added 3 tablespoons of green seasoning, and now I'm going in with that rub. Yes, so pour that seasoning rub, and we are gonna get to rub-a-dub-dub. We're gonna rub it all over the chicken. So of course my bowl is really full with chicken, right? It's all packed up like a nice country bus. So I have to take my time and try to get the seasoning on every piece of the chicken. By the way, do not worry about using the exact seasoning. Use whatever seasoning you have, right? So only chicken seasoning, only all-purpose seasoning, whatever, your Maggi seasoning, anything. So now I'm going in with the browning, and you want to take your time. It's better you add a little and then you need some more, right? Because you don't want the chicken to be too black. You don't want it to get too dark. So take your time, because all browning is not created equally, by the way. This one is on the runny side. Normally I know browning to be really thick. So here I'm just adding the last of the rub, last of the seasoning, and it makes it easier when you add some and then rub it on the chicken and then add some more again and rub it in, right? It makes it easier, especially when the bowl is this filled. But yes, Vibes fam, here we have it, this beautiful bowl. I mean, it is thoroughly seasoned from the crown of his head to the sole of his feet. I'm telling you, it's all seasoned up, and it's gonna taste amazing. Because why? It is thoroughly seasoned and it's done with love. Vibes fam, please cook your food with love. It makes like a world of difference. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam. Don't forget to like, click that thumbs up video thumbs up button, please. Comment, say something, even hi, right? And subscribe if you are not subscribed, and don't forget to click all on the notification bell. Click the bell. And yes, thank you, and go over Instagram and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.